All right, welcome back. Once again, my name is Marcelo. I run an agency here called Agio Designs. We are a GoHighLevel agency. We're taking care of the issues so you don't have to. In the previous video, we built out a campaign for all your affiliates so they can start marketing your products for you. In this video, we're going to actually assign those affiliates to that campaign. This is step 2. The first thing we're going to do here is come to our marketing tab. And then we're going to come up top here to our affiliate manager. You'll see that we have our demo campaign already built out right here. Now there's 2 ways to add affiliates here. Let's go right to our affiliate tab. The first way to do it is to manually add them. You can click on the add button over here. You can manually add. You just type in their email, their first name, their last name, etc. There's multiple details, socials. You can also upload a CSV file. You'll see that there's a sample file you can download. I highly suggest, if you are going to batch upload, that you use the sample file, you reorganize your data. It just makes uploading much cleaner. The third way that you can add affiliates here is importing from your contacts. This is super straightforward, assuming these people are already in your CRM database here. You'll see that there's a bunch of them here. You just click the checkbox, and down at the bottom, you click import. Now, I've already done that with these 4 gentlemen that are right here: Jim James, John Doe, Bob Smith, and Jimmy Dean. Gotta love them Jimmy Dean sausages. Now, once we have our affiliates in our platform here, there's, again, a couple ways to assign them to the campaign. For this instance, since we just want to go ahead and add these, you can click on the 3 dots on this side, click on Campaign Actions, and then Add to Campaign. Now, for this instance, we only have 1 campaign, but please make sure you select the right campaign if you have multiple campaigns running. We're going to click Add Affiliate, and when we do this, a link will be created. Jim James will get an email saying you've been assigned to this email campaign, et cetera, et cetera. Now, what do we do with these other 3 people? There is another way. We can go back to our campaign here. We'll go back into our draft demo webinar that we made. Now, remember, we did this earlier on that other video. We set up the reward. 50% of that VIP upgrade goes right back to the affiliate. They make cash, you make cash. It's a win-win. You'll see here we can assign affiliate. Now, there's Jim James, the gentleman we just added. We can go ahead and add the remaining affiliates that we had inside there. Now, let's say you've already uploaded 27, 200, 5,000, whatever the case may be. You can select them all right up in here. You're going to go ahead then and click Finish and Publish. And when you do that, the rest of these people will now get assigned that affiliate link. So there's the 2 parts of how you can add them to your affiliate campaign. Now, the next question I get all the time is, how does Jim James get his link? He forgot about it. He deleted the email. It went to spam. The carrier pigeon didn't receive it. Whatever. I get all those all the time. Click on their name. You're going to just drill down a little more. You're going to see in the section here, all campaigns, kind of gives you a summary. The demo webinar gives you a summary. But if you look down a little bit further, here's the demo webinar referral link. You can just copy this link right here and then send it off to them in an email. And then that will be their personal, dedicated, or unique referral link for this campaign. As they start sending stuff out, you're going to see leads start to populate in here when they use their link and they submit that free web opt-in. They'll turn into customers if they actually take that next step and actually purchase and swipe their credit card. All right, so now you have created your campaign. You've assigned affiliates to that campaign. You've copied links. You've sent them over to them. Your affiliate system here is pretty live and it's ready to send traffic. The next video, I'll show you payouts and dashboard data, as well as some media assets if you want to provide media assets for them. Now, if you want to do something like this with us, just head on over to agiodesigns.com/watch. You'll get more information about what we do, how we do it, kind of pricing, all that good stuff. And more importantly, schedule a call with me. I'd love to take a second with you and kind of see where your tech stack is at, what you're doing, and how our plans can support you. See you on the next one.